If you're given the equation y equals 2 over 3x minus 4, what are you told? What information are you given from the equation? Right. We know that the y-intercept is negative 4, and what does this represent? Slope, and this is the y-intercept. Because you know the y-intercept, we know that this line will intercept the y-axis, this is the y-axis, at negative 4. So I'm going to start with plotting that point. Here's 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. We have to use the slope. Well, the rise is 2, so it's going to rise. So from this y-intercept, because this is a point, we're rising by 2, and the run is positive 3. So we're going to run 1, 2, 3. So this is another point on the line. Here's my line. Okay, notice how we started at negative 4, because that's where the line intercepts the y-axis. Keep going. Rise 2, run 3, we'll end up here. Keep going. Rise 2, oops, run 3, and I can move down 2 and left 3. 1, 2, 3, and draw another point. And we can connect, use a ruler, and connect the points to draw a straight line. So extend it both ways, not just one way. So what I've done is I've just drawn a line that's parallel to my original line. We're going to find out what the equation of this pink line is. So the two things to write an equation that you need are what? What letters? What do you need to write the equation? M and B. We need the slope and we need the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept of my pink line? Okay, it intercepts here, and that's at positive 2. Okay, so I know my B. We're going to choose 2 points, and we're going to count the slope. So I'm going to pick, you want to choose points that are easy to read. So already I know this is directly on a point, and this is directly on a point that will be easy to read. So I'm going to count my rise. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and what's the run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the equation of the pink line would be y equals what? What's the slope? 4 over 6. Then what comes next? Plus or x? Good. Plus 2. Can we simplify 4 over 6? Write that in lowest terms. They're both divisible by 2, so what's 4 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2. What do you notice about the equation of this line and the equation of the original line? What do they have in common? The slopes are the same. They have the exact same slope and they're parallel. Think about it. If both lines are rising and running by the same amount every time, they're going to be the same distance apart, which makes them parallel. Similar. How are parallel lines similar? They have what? What's similar about them? They have the same slope. They have to have the same slope in order for them to be parallel. Does the y-intercept have to be the same? Does it matter where it starts on the graph, what the intercept is? No. So they have the same slope, but they can have a different y-intercept. Okay, so if I give you an example, and I say there's an equation of a line that's y equals negative 4x plus 7. I want you to give me an equation of a line that would be parallel to this line. We know that because I'm asking you for a parallel line, it has to have negative 4x. It has to have the same slope. So give me any equation of a line that's parallel to that. Katie?
Y equals negative 4x minus 14.
Sure, negative 4x minus 14. Doesn't matter what the y-intercept is. Chill, give me another one that's parallel. Plus, good. Good. Give me an equation of a line that's parallel to this. Give me an equation of a line that's parallel to that. Ira? Excellent. I tried to switch it around, but we know that the coefficient of x is the slope. What about this? Y equals 3x minus 8. Is that parallel? Yes. As long as the slopes are the same, they're parallel.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.